Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add filters and effects in CapCut to level up your video edits in seconds. So let's get started. First, open a CapCut and start a new project or open an existing one. Then add your video clip into the timeline. And to add a filter, tap on Filters at the bottom. Then browse through categories like retro, portrait, or food or whatever filters that you like and tap on a filter to preview it, then hit the check mark to apply. Then to add a video effects, just scroll the bottom menu to tap the effects. Then choose the video effects or the body effects like glitch, blur, or party, whatever you want. Then tap your chosen effects and adjust the duration and hit the check mark. You can also layer a multiple effects and even adjust their intensity, whatever you like. And that's how easily it is to add filters and effects in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more editing tips. Thanks for watching.